everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all my latest videos. Don't forget to also follow me on Instagram to stay up to date with everything that I am doing, and you can see more photos and tutorials on there as well. Want to know how I got my lashes looking amazing like this without going to the salon? You guys can definitely do it at home. If you guys want to know how I achieved this and how you can too, then please keep on watching. Okay, so to create this look, you're going to need some individual lashes. I am using the Eylure London Individual Lashes for this. So the packet does come with a small, medium and large. You will also need a pair of tweezers. So in this packaging, you do get the eye glue as well as an eye remover. So what I like to do is I like to start off with the small and do that on the inner corner of my eyes, and then I move to the medium, and then sometimes I do use the large on the ends. Otherwise, sometimes I just use the small and the medium as well. What I like to do is pop a little bit of glue. I usually do it on the packaging, just on the back, and then I can grab the individual lash and dip it into the glue and then start putting them on my eyes. With this glue. Okay, so then we're going to go in and start using the small. Dip that into the glue. Look down just enough, and I like to just add that straight on top of one of my lashes. I'm just going to repeat this step. So I've used 3 small ones on the inner corner of my eye, and as I get to the middle, I'm then going to start using some medium. Doesn't matter if you have some gaps, if you can't put them close together, because we can go back in and fill those in after and have a look how much more we want to stack them up to make them fuller, or you can just do a couple just to give it that natural. I've used 3 small. I'm going to start going in with the medium. Then once they're on, you can move them with your finger if you like to where you want them to sit. So when I apply them, I tilt them down on an angle just so I can really see where the point is, and then I like to just turn it down like that and let it drop. A little tip, if you guys grab it out and you see that on the end that hair has come away, all you want to do is just pinch it back together, and then as you can see, it is now back in with the rest of them. Just dipped it back in the glue. I'm going in with the medium and I'm just applying that into where I can see that there's a few gaps. I'm going to jump across and finish this side. I'm going to show you guys the end result of what this looks like. Alright you guys, so this is the lashes done. As you can see, what a difference make. It is so lightweight and amazing. So I'll zoom you guys in so you guys can see. Absolutely stunning, so natural as well, so lightweight, amazing. I ended up using some of my second packet, so in total you guys can see this is how much I did use. So I did use quite a lot of the medium size. However, if I was to add the long ones, I would have only used like the one pack and I wouldn't have even used the whole lot. But I did want to keep it nice and natural for you guys so you guys can see that it is achievable. Sometimes with the long ones they do look quite bold, and I want this video to be for everybody out there. So if you guys do want a little bit more of an intensity, you can go for the large. So you can add the large to the outside of the eye. That way it will give you guys more of that dramatic eye look. As I said before, I want it to be a tutorial for everyone. Everyone can achieve it. For me, that took around, say, 20 minutes to do both my eyes, but I've been doing this for many, many years and don't feel like, you know, giving up if you guys don't achieve it in that time frame. It is achievable. Some of my tips that I will tell you guys, which definitely help, a really good pair of tweezers. I do like the ones with the point on the end. These ones that I'm using are my Benefit ones. It's all about investment. You can use any kind of tweezers. I always just find something with a point is really, really helpful with the angled. Also, you want to clean your tweezers. So if you are applying, you know, like your strip lashes all the time, clean your tweezers, because if your tweezers are really sticky, when you pick up the lash and then put it on the eye, it's not actually going to let go of it. It will pull the lash back with it because the lash will stick to the tweezers. My next tip is, if you guys aren't going to be using the glue that does come with the Eylure lashes, because the glue that comes with it is quite thick and it is a bit more drying, or if you guys want to use, say, like a normal glue that comes with it, like a clear or a black, you can use that as well. But my tip for that is wait until it goes a little bit tacky. So as you would with a strip lash, that's how you want it to go before you start dipping the eyelash in and applying. Because what's going to happen is you're going to put it on, it's not going to grip, and then it's going to slide around because the glue is still wet. So my tip for that is put it on the back of something like I have this. Then what you want to do is wait for it to go a little bit sticky. Then you can do it, and you'll find you'll move a lot quicker, because you'll find you'll go put one on, oh, it's stuck. Another one on, it's stuck. Where people get lost when they do this, because what they do is they just continually dip it in, stick it, and it's not actually tacky. That way the glue's not actually sticking and the eyelash is not staying on. And I find that's where people give up. So that's my other tip. My third tip is, if you are, I would say, especially a blonde, and your eyelashes are not as dark, tip number one, if you want, you can coat them in mascara. Just remember that you're not going to be able to really wipe the mascara off. You can, but if you're going to use like a, you know, like micellar water or an oil-based remover, it will remove your eyelashes. So what I tend to do is tint my eyelashes before. What you can do is get one at home. What I like to do is just close my eye like this, put a bit of tint on, leave it, and just do one eye at a time. Or when the salons do open, that's what you can do. So then that way your eyelashes are going to be the same color as the extensions, because as you can see, they are very black. Sometimes our natural lashes are not really that dark. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Thanks guys.